What's up, guys? Top Dollar Mike at the Golden Nugget Atlantic City in the Highland Slot Room. We are going to try my least favorite of the Lightning Cash games. This is Magic Pearl. I've never, ever won anything on this game. So we're going to give it a little try here. 500 in. I'm going to do 10 cent denom, $10 a spin. And then if we do some winning on this one, I'll bump it up a little bit. Right now the major's sitting at 54.42, but you know, they hit whenever they want to hit. So let's see if we can make something happen with this Magic Pearl. You know what it is. Let's go. The volume up there. So if you guys are new to these Lightning games, you need three. I need 3 of the Dolphins or 6 of the Pearls to start the bonus. And in typical Lightning Cash fashion, you hit something that says win, but you don't win, you still lose. Come on. Yeah. Hey, we got a bunch of wilds there. Not really good symbols, but should be a decent win. Should be. 190 bucks there. Nice. A couple more spins here. We're going to bump it up a little bit. Excuse me. All right, we're going to go to 25 cent denom. 12.50 spin. The 10 cent and the 25 cent, you still have the 50 pay lines. And you go up to the 50 cent a dollar, it drops down to 25 pay lines. The extra pay lines make a big difference, especially when you get that bonus, the free spin bonus. Come on, 3 more. Right. All right, that was a win. That was not a win. Where's that? That's that false advertising. All right, we're gonna bump it up again. 50 cent denom, same 12.50 spins. Now we're down to 25 pay lines. But obviously your mini and your minor go up as you go higher in the denom. Come on, there we go. See if we can get something big to drop. Some big numbers here. Come on. They all look like they're small. That's all right, we'll take them all. It's nice to have some of them big ones fall down, but we'll take whatever it gives us. Keeps us playing. All right, last one, we gotta save it here. Come on, keep us going. Drop it. That. Not bad, 250. Puts us up ahead a little bit, gives us some more fuel to play with. We're going to keep it here on the 50 cent denom with the 12.50 spins. Come on. Come on, flipper. Ooh, that was a big one there. We only lost 14. Sorry guys, I gotta get readjusted here. It's one of the most uncomfortable machines to film at, the way that the seat is and where I have to set the tripod. It's like I can't move without messing up the whole shot. 3 kings for a loss of $10. Not too much going on this one besides that bonus. Come on. Not too much at all. Two-way. Come on, Dolphin. One more, baby. There we go. All right, at least we got the, you guys got to see both bonuses on there, even though I'm sure you've all seen them. Let's see what we can do with this one. Give us that pearl right in the middle. Come on, first spin. Drop it. It's not what we're looking for. There it is. On the quick stop. Gotta love the bonus in the bonus. Come on. Seen that mini go by. I'd definitely take that. Mini's 500. Here we go. Here we go. Give us something. Anything. Okay, keep this going. All right. Keeping us in the game. It's keeping us in the game. Three more of these things drop. You're going to see all kinds of fireworks here. But that Tabasco one was bad. No idea what would happen. Come on. Give me one more just to tease me with the last one. All right. Not bad, 175 on that. Bonus into bonus. Still got 3 spins. Come on. Do it again. All right, extra 3 free games. The Dolphin looks like he's having a good time out there. He's swimming around, easy life. Come on, pearl it again. Those wilds come by like that. It's just terrible because you know you're not going to get them. Come on. Wow. All right, so that paid what? $212.25. We're gonna keep it going. We're gonna keep it going. See if we can't get it again. Went completely, just completely shut off on us there. Look, as soon as I said that, I thought I was going to give it to him. We're going to play this one down, see what happens. See if we can't get that big win. Come on, one more. One away, one away. At least it was at the very end like that, so you don't even realize it. You know what, we're going to drop down to 10 cents. We're going to finish this out with $15 spins. Try our luck down here and see what happens. All right, 48.30. You're one Dolphin away there from the bonus again. Come on, Flippy. Come on, buddy. Waiting on you again. Come on. Well, we got the bonus twice. Not a very exciting video, but you know, at least we got that. I'm just watching somebody hit a hand pay on the game that I was going to play before I played this. Gotta love it when that happens. $25 for the last one. Why not? And nothing. Bolt we won't get. All right. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. Hit that bell to stay notified. Have some more videos out for you soon. And again, thank you for watching. Thank you guys for all your support. What's going on, everybody? Top Dollar Mike, I'm back at the Golden Nugget Atlantic City in the high limit slot room at, you already know it, my favorite lightning cash game, the high stakes. We are going to play this one. I got 500 in. We're going to start on 10-cent denom. We're chasing that major. It's getting up there, $7,339. We're going to start off with $10 a spin. And if we do any good, we hit a little bit, we're going to bump it up. So you already know. Let's go. Come on, one more. You guys are new to this game. You need 6 of those chips or 3 of those gold briefcases. But this game's played a lot, so I'm sure everybody knows that. This is a weird win, 92. And you bet 100. Come on, line something up. All right, $64 on that one. $6. Oh, wow. Come on, one more, one more.
Here we go.
What, are you done already?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what happens.
That's fine though, because my dude was telling me.
Come on, whack it.
Nothing. Chip. Nothing. Yeah, a couple cars. Wow. Put the chip in there.
Oh, that was a monster. What the $300 one? Come on, dude. Are you serious? Wow.
Wow, that was terrible. $58 on that bonus. You know what that means? It means the next one's got to be bigger.
This one, a third. I got excited. You know what? I'm charging my phone.
You plug it in pinball, you can charge it in there. All right, we're gonna jump up here. 25-cent denom, 12.50 spins. Couple kings there. Tens. Alright, now we're going to go up to 50-cent denom. This drops down to 25 lines, but it's still the same 12.50 bet. all those wilds with nothing in the front of it. 62.50. Some cards. All right, that was a winner. Come on. 70 bucks. All right, 100 bucks on that one. Come on. One away, and there it was. Those chips are making a lot of noise, but they're not making enough noise. Come on. That would have been it right there. That was the one when you wanted it to happen. Cars for the double up. Cards. Keeps giving us those close calls. 2 briefcases, 5 chips. Yeah, that's that enticement factor. Just keep it playing. You think you're going to hit it. That's right. I have a feeling about this one. Come on. There we go. Same time. Ready? Same time. Same time. Same time. Go ahead. The old NJ Slack got Buffalo bonus over there. Let's see what he gets. Wow, when you zoom, you really got to hold the camera still, and I'm not good at doing that. $250. $250. All right, let's get back to mine here. All right, let's get it. Let's go. Come on. Let me see some big numbers. Big numbers. Big numbers.
I'm not gonna hit it. I'm going to tell you nothing. It was literally the next spin.
That's great.
I love how I'm not filming because I'm charging my phone right now. This is a joke.
Come on. Give me something big. Mini, minor, major. All right, anything.
Come on. Ah. All right.
All right, not bad for that one. Are you ready? Yeah. All right, now we're gonna. NJ got the spin on the next spin after his spin.
Follow up spin.
Go ahead.
How about a major?
Yeah, we need that major. $750. All right, 125. All right, guys, we're back after that double bonus turned into a triple bonus. See if we can't make this one happen again. Come on. Just keeps teasing. Come on. Hey, they're just jacking around. Come on. Well, it's not looking too good right now. In typical fashion. Get the bonus. All right, come on. I know you got one more in you. I know you got one more in you. I know you do. All right, well, I thought I had one more in it, but now I don't know. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. I hate when it gives you the first two like that, because then you have 3 disappointments. Getting down to the end here, guys. We're getting down to the end. We got 5 more spins here. Couple of 10s. Come on. That was the third one there. All right. All right, got one more spin here, and that's it. No, that's it. See if we get the old lightning bolt special. All right. I've never gotten a bonus on this. I see a lot of people getting it, and I still haven't got it. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit that bell to stay notified. I'm gonna start putting out videos a lot more often, maybe twice a week. See how it goes. See how everybody's liking my videos. So, again, guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support.